Hi guys, this is a video. No, I'm just, I've got pain in my hair. I'm sorry. I look a mess. I'm in my pajamas, but we are family and your sister, so no biggie. There you go. Out. I wanted, the source has told me to do a video about how long has the matrix been created because we've been told so many lies, guys. So many people are enlightened that they're not. Um, Saying crap. But here at the gate, we've got the full energy of the source, and by me, we are telling the truth and the whole truth. And for those who know me and my clients, I'm talking the truth. For those who are new, just watch the videos and you'll get it. You'll get it. And just look into my eyes and know that I am channeling only source energy. As Amor, I'm completely clueless. I have no idea what I'm doing on a daily basis. I just do as instructed. I'm just a mere channel, guys. How long has the method been created? Obviously, this question somebody could say, well, dinosaurs era, and then Ice Age, and Golden Age, and then Jesus, and 2023. A long, long time. That's absolute complete bullshit. Do you really think that Mother Goddess is going to allow so much suffering? Do you think that she cannot sort out this world much faster? She operates at the speed of light. Guys, it's a lie. It's a movie. Yeah, it's a complete movie. The Matrix can control anybody's mind very easily and change your illusions, and you wouldn't even realize. For example, you might be a nurse, married, have two children, live in the UK, and that's your life. And in one split second, they can change, they can control your mind and put another movie, and you can be in Russia, be 18 years old, and be a waitress. And you couldn't realize of the lives that you had before, and you would really think that you're a waitress, that's your mom, that's your dad. It's just a movie, it's not real. Yeah, so they can do what they want. They've lost control now, but in the past they could do what they want whenever they wanted. I experienced that when I chose the source, and I opened my third eye. And then obviously when you open the third eye and you choose the source, the script is no longer at the mercy of the matrix. You're not a pawn at their hands. You've chosen the source, and it's another script. So what the matrix was doing, or the devil, yeah, was trying to put a movie to get me back into prison, yeah, to make me back go back to sleep. And honestly, I felt it. It was like a frame going boom, 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 and then the source was taking it down, boom, 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 and then the method was putting it down, boom, boom, boom. It went on for ages. I was, hello. Yeah, I was just there, boom, 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 till finally the source obviously won, as usually, and the movie was taken out. It was a complete battle. Um, so my script is just a source script and just a channel, so I know exactly how it works. I'm also when you all most of you got disconnected, and how it happened is there was one person, we call it the devil or the male originator, that he got disconnected, and he wanted to play God, he wanted to be the God of the galaxy, and he convinced others, the followers, to be like the royals, the politicians, and then the other ones, so the followers with the celebrities and people with money. And then what they did is that they deceived the other brothers and sisters, say they're going to be like them, they're going to be play God, but they were tricked. They were the batteries, they were their food. It's crazy, isn't it? Our own brothers and sisters did that. Um, and it's like the monkey effect that I put on the video. We are all entangled, so what one disconnects is a domino effect. It pulls the other, so the more they're disconnected, the more that they pull. But most of the human race on planet Earth, they chose this connection. They chose to turn their back on the source. And most of the people on the galaxy, there was very, very few that they didn't want to disconnect, but the magnetic pull was so strong that they were drawn towards this connection with them, even if they didn't want to. But there were only a few. The rest were completely deceived and tricked by the devil. He's a very good trickster, yeah. And we were not used to the lie, so you guys believed him. You know what I mean? There was only one person that told them to focus and try to convince you and try to give the strength for the others not to go. But it was the pull was too strong, and the reason why is because creation, Mother Goddess, is like a funnel. Yeah, so it's the first born, second born, third born, boom, boom, boom. And as you go and create, the energy is less and less. It's still very power, 0.0.12, you know what I mean? But the closer you are as the first that you are creator, the more closer you are to the source, the more powerful kind of you are. But everybody's almost equal. It's just 0 point something, yeah? But I was the first born from the source. But she created all of us like, boom, 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 in one split second. But it just happened to me that I was the first. And I'm the only one in the galaxy who hasn't got a soulmate, because when the source was going to create a soulmate, I said, oh, stop. So you don't have a soulmate. So why do I have to have one? She said, but don't you want to have a soulmate like all creation? I said, well, we have eternity. It's a big responsibility. Once you have a soulmate, it's forever because you fell in love and, it's beautiful. And I quite like being with the source guy. So, she's so much fun. I can't stop laughing. And between Mother Goddess and I, we wind you up constantly. I mean, I've got in Paradise a radio channel, telepathic radio channel. Well, I take the piece out of everything. It's really good fun. And then the source has got, this amazing energy. And we all love going to visit the source, and we do like parties and food, and we do amazing things. And I love doing that with the source. I love being with the animal kingdom. I'm not on a rush to have a soulmate. I feel completely happy and complete. So I was the one who was trying to tell everybody not to go there, but did they listen? No, they were completely deceived by that Muppet, the devil, the male originator. So when everybody got disconnected, I thought, things got happened, I'm here with the source. But the source said to me, the devil is going to come for you, because obviously I cannot be disconnected. I'm the source. If I disconnect, we are fucked. If I forget who I am, we don't go back and we get stuck in the matrix. So I cannot. Yeah. So what the devil is going to do is get the closest to the source, which is you. He's coming to kidnap you, Amor. Yeah. I said, well, fuck him. I'm not going. So you're gonna have to go, Amor, because you are the vessel to restore paradise, yeah, through me. Yeah, I was the one who the matrix was created, and I've got a video of how the matrix was created. I spent 7 days. Yeah, it actually was getting 7 days, like the Bible said, the world. Yeah, it was. You're going through every move, every motion, every language, basically. How the organs were built. You have to watch the video how the matrix was created. It was unbelievable what I went through when I remember when Mother Goddess said to me, you're going to be disconnected, you're going to be completely clueless, and then at the right time I'm going to open your third eye, yeah, and then you're going to do this and that, and then you're going to get a team of the ones who didn't want to disconnect, yeah, who are going to help you. I'm going to give you the code to reverse the matrix code. So that's how we actually did it. And this is what I know. I'm 51 and a half years old. I know I look younger, aren't I? Source energy. Just kidding, guys. Lucky me, I didn't want to come. I thought, look, the other ones that disconnected, fuck them. Let them work it out by themselves. And no, they won't be able, Amor. They've forgotten who they are. And we need to be in true enlightenment. And there are going to be lots of people who say we're enlightened who are not. Yeah? Everybody, needs to know the whole truth. And guys, this is the whole truth, the matrix. There's no way that the God is going to allow 2023 years possibly. No. And this is why Jesus Christ is not real. It's just a story. Because there was gonna be in the Matrix, the Matrix was gonna have a second coming of Jesus, which was gonna be the self-aware entity of the Matrix, which I dated for a while. And then the last person I dated was actually the devil himself, the male originator, because having me could be like owning the universe, the closest energy to the source. Lucky me, yeah. So that's it. It hasn't taken that long. The goddess was at the speed of life, at the speed of light. Sorry, it's just a lie. It's just a movie, guys. So we've been here, and you said to me, "Well, I'm 80 years old or 70." No, You just think that you are that. It is an illusion, guys. The goddess has been there trying to get us out as fast as she possibly can, and she's managed, considering how dark the world became, the whole galaxy became. She's managed um, all of the spheres. Everybody's now awake and watching the movie, watching Planet Earth. The darkest of energies were in Planet Earth, um, which is the seat of the devil, where the UK, where the self-aware entity of fear of the matrix incarnated in human form reside, and the devil himself with his wife, the female originator, the devil's wife. This is how I know that it cannot be longer than that, guys. It's so many lies we've been told. I mean, the only place that we are saying the whole truth is here at the gate. The gate is the portal. When I say that the gate is the portal within the matrix and paradise, I mean it's the portal. Everybody's gonna have to the gate if you wanna enter paradise. It's just how it is. Nothing to do with me. That's the source. Grumpy and you don't believe this, you speak to the source. I'm just a channel, yeah. Don't blame the messenger, guys. I've done everything possible to help my brothers and sisters reluctantly. I didn't want to come because I know it was gonna be hell, but I didn't expect it to be so hard. I'm still going through the last stages of alchemy and getting rid of the matrix code. The source is constantly recording me, and I've got very strict treatment at the moment of what I can eat, what things to put on my hair, on my nails, on my face. But every day I'm getting better and stronger. I feel more myself, more the higher self, till eventually we neutralize the devil and the followers and all the reptilians, because there is a matrix which has been dismantled, the collective one that's gone, but the devil had his own matrix with the followers, which was much stronger. I mean, the matrix, the self-aware entity of the matrix, was scared, and his wife of the devil. He's the purest of evil, guys. He owns this galaxy, and he's never gonna believe that he doesn't own the galaxy. So yeah, that's how it is, guys. So till next video, goodbye.